welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing a twist out, and I'm going to be using some products that was in my curl box. It was from the line Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. So the box had the cocoa wash, which is right here. I've already used this probably about 2 times. I think I like it okay. They also had in the box the Fix My Hair, and I'll put a picture of it on the screen because I did use that all up. I used it about 2 times and that stuff is so great. It detangles like a dream. So definitely check out the Aunt Jackie's Fix My Hair deep conditioner because I loved it. So in today's video I'm going to use the Quench, and this is a leave-in conditioner, and I'm also going to use the Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant right here. They work really great on my hair, so today I'm doing a twist out, so we're going to see how that goes. For the most part, I really like both of these products. They work great together, and I think I'm just going to seal my ends. And this is from, I'm just going to call this Quimet. This is their Castor and Alma Nourishing Pomade, and I just put this on the ends of each twist that I do, just to give my ends some protection. Yeah, so my hair has already been washed and deep conditioned, so let's go ahead and get it started. So I am drying my hair with the Bon Bon Cheveux t-shirt towel. I'm just gonna go ahead and section my hair out. I will be right back. Alright guys, so I've already sectioned out my hair how I want to braid it. So this is it. And what I do is I just basically just make the one long part, go ahead and make little parts that I'm going to twist up. I'm just going to start with this first section. I take the leave-in conditioner, just going to put about that much on my hair. And if I feel like my hair needs some more, then I'll put a little bit more on there. But usually that's all I need for a section of hair, especially for the leave-in, when I'm gonna go back over it with another moisturizer. And this stuff makes your hair feel so silky, you guys. It feels really slick, really silky. Whatever it does to my hair, it just feels like butter. I'm just gonna go ahead and start making the parts for the twist. And this is how I have been wearing my hair this whole quarantine, you guys. I know you guys haven't seen me do a lot of videos. It's because basically I've just been wearing my hair the same exact way every day. Sometimes I keep my hair in the twists themselves, and I can put it in a ponytail, do what I need to do for the day, and I'll go to the store like that. I mean, it's just a really simple, easy, low manipulation hairstyle, and it's really healthy because you're not messing with your hair all the time. So you can just leave it in the twist. So I just took a little of this and I just put it throughout my hair, split this into sections, and then just start twisting. Twist all the way down to the end. And then once I get to the end of my hair, I just take some of this on my finger, and then I just slide, and then I'll just twist it right on the ends of my hair, just making sure that your ends are coated, and it makes your ends look really nice and shiny. So I'm just gonna do this to my whole entire head and just speed it up. I just finished twisting my whole entire head. This is what it looks like. Usually it takes like a day for my hair to dry, so tomorrow my hair will be dry. It's cool if you just wear your hair like this. It looks good like this. You can always take it down and it's gonna look better. Obviously I'm gonna take it down for you guys so you guys can see what my hair looks like. So usually I can put it up in ponytails. I can do half up, half down styles, low manipulation. Your ends are out, but they're twisted and they're coated, so they're pretty protected. I'll be back in a couple of days to show you guys what my hair looks like. All right guys, so see you then. Hey guys, so it's been about 3 days since I've done my hair, so that's why it's a little frizzy. I have just been wearing it in ponytails and stuff like that, so this is my first time taking it down, you guys. So I'm gonna use this softening syrup by Quimet to take down my hair. What I like to do is I like to just pump out a couple of pumps, and I'll just rub that on my hands like this. And that way when I take my hair down, I can get a nice silky smooth twist. Alright, so that's the first one. That's what it looks like. And I'm just going to do this all over my head. And then I'm going to pick it out. Alright guys, so I untwisted all of my hair and this is what my hair looks like. And I have not blended my hair with my pick yet, so you still do see some of my parts in the back. And as you guys can see, my hair is like super defined. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pick out my roots just a tad bit, just to try to blend my roots a little bit, and that's it. I think I picked out my roots enough. Didn't want to get my hair too frizzy because the more you agitate your hair, the more frizzier it gets. I want to wear this style for a while. This is it. I think my hair turned out really good. I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, hit that bell so you'll be notified. That's very important when I upload new videos. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.